So that 17.25 was identified as a next significant target, and a resistance target. Last Friday, we put that out in the post, Green Friday, which obviously was for the members, subscribers here. And then for the public, I put out the Black Friday post, but that was hidden. I sanitized those ideas. So today we can go to any high and on this levitation, this squeeze. Primary target for me today, 717 has been hit. And that was not today's target. That's obviously a flyer. Get the 14 to 17 as a flyer. Anything above that is just, energy. And certainly did not expect to get this target today. I thought if we were lucky today, we'd get the 12 to 14 area and chop around and do some more. And this is just a squeeze that just said, hey, we got you and we're going. And we said today, chase trade. They're going to make us chase and don't know where the high eventually will be. If you go back and read that post, though, you'll see other ideas. And some are fib ideas for next targets beyond this theoretical next significant zone. And those were posted in that post. So and then we'll do other math to show these ideas, but that's where that came from. And I was looking at that. Obviously, last week I said, well, okay, if they're going to print 2,600, remember we said they're going to print 2,600 for the weekend. So then the question becomes, can you get the pullback? And if not, then you have to look ahead to next targets for squeezes. And there can be no justification in a move like this to just close your eyes and keep shorting. This is how you get hurt. Seek has identified a 20.75, I believe, 21 idea. Let me go back and see. Daniel, thank you for your posts. 20.88 WT2. So let's use 22 resistance. And there's a marker right in here at 1875 according to our model. So anybody that gets anything past 17 figure, obviously very lucky. Anybody wants to short, we're not encouraging you to do that, but use your 22 as your next resistance. And the trick in an uptrending market is to find support, buy it, and then ride it. Zeke, thank you for that post. Like I said, I've got eye surgery next early next month. So I just find I have to take a break from the screens. And anybody that gets above 17 to 18, good for you. We don't fight the market. We don't fight the trend. WT2, because identified 20.75, 21. In that same post that I was talking about, I showed, hang on, let me get it for you. There are some Fibo targets that are still out there. I've got, well, from last week, a holdover from last week is actually 23.5, but I don't put as much value in that as a way to compute it, but it is there. And I've got actually, and I'm not talking about for today or tomorrow or whatever, but the next biggie Fibo wise is 42.75, 26.42.75. And what happens is you'll start throwing darts at these things, and then you'll get ahead of yourself. So I'm throwing that out there for you as an idea, and then we'll show how that's computed. And you still have to do this step by step. First thing today was you got to, obviously, we called the 03 for pre-market 00, 2600 support. Then we called obviously that 3.5 half gap support. So those are all supports. And then we said if we take out last week's high, then obviously we're in new territory and we're rocking and rolling. If we take out yesterday's high, we're looking for the upside, and probably doesn't make much sense to fight it. I think they're going to make us chase today. And it is just an unmerciful squeeze on traders who want to fight today. And this is, again, the Panama Canal trade. Gap and squeeze.